Top 7 Most Amazing Way to Make Electricity. Number 1. Tidal power. Tidal power, also known as tidal energy, is a renewable energy source that harnesses the power of the ocean's tides to generate electricity. It utilizes the gravitational forces of the moon and the sun, which cause the ocean tides to rise and fall on a daily basis. This predictable and constant movement of water can be converted into electrical energy through various mechanisms. One of the primary methods of tidal power generation is through tidal turbines. These turbines are similar to wind turbines but are submerged underwater. As the tides flow in and out, the water passes through the turbine blades, causing them to rotate and drive an electrical generator, producing electricity. Tidal turbines can be installed in various locations such as estuaries, straits, and coastal areas with strong tidal currents. Another approach to tidal power generation is tidal barrages. These are large dams or barriers built across estuaries or bays. Number 2. Microbial fuel cells. Microbial fuel cells (MFCs) are innovative devices that use the metabolic activities of microorganisms to generate electricity from organic matter. They operate on the principle of harnessing the natural ability of certain bacteria to transfer electrons during their metabolic processes. In an MFC, the microorganisms, typically bacteria, are housed in an anode chamber. They break down organic compounds through a process called oxidation, releasing electrons in the process. These electrons are then captured by the anode, creating an electric current. Meanwhile, in the cathode chamber, a reduction reaction occurs, usually involving the reduction of oxygen from the air. One of the key advantages of MFCs is their ability to directly convert organic waste or wastewater into electricity. The flow of electrons from the anode to the cathode completes the circuit, generating electricity. This makes them particularly useful in applications where there is a readily available source of organic matter, such as wastewater treatment plants, agricultural operations, or even household waste management. Number 3. Human footstep converters. Human footstep converters, also known as footstep harvesting or piezoelectric flooring, are innovative technologies that aim to harness the kinetic energy generated by human footsteps and convert it into usable electrical energy. These systems are designed to capture the mechanical strain and pressure exerted on a surface when someone walks or steps on it, and convert that mechanical energy into electrical energy through the use of piezoelectric materials. Piezoelectric materials possess a unique property where they can generate an electric charge in response to applied mechanical stress or pressure. In the context of footstep converters, these materials are embedded or integrated into the flooring or walkway surfaces. When a person walks or steps on these surfaces, the pressure and mechanical strain cause the piezoelectric materials to deform, resulting in the generation of small electrical charges. The electrical energy generated from these piezoelectric materials can be collected and stored or used to power low-power electronic devices. Number 4. The air mask. The air mask, also known as a face mask or respiratory mask, is a protective device designed to cover the nose and mouth to filter the air and reduce the inhalation of harmful particles, pollutants, or pathogens. It is primarily used for personal protection against airborne contaminants, including dust, smoke, allergens, and microorganisms. Air masks come in various forms, such as disposable masks, reusable fabric masks, and specialized respirators. Disposable masks are typically made of non-woven materials and are designed for single use. They provide a basic level of filtration and are commonly used in healthcare settings or for general everyday protection. Reusable fabric masks are made of washable materials and can be used multiple times, often with replaceable filters for enhanced filtration. Specialized respirators, such as N95 or KN95 masks, offer higher levels of filtration efficiency and a tighter fit, making them suitable for environments with higher concentrations of harmful particles or infectious agents. The primary purpose of wearing an air mask is to protect the wearer from inhaling harmful substances present in the air. Number 5. Biogas. Biogas is a renewable energy source produced through the anaerobic digestion of organic materials, such as agricultural waste, food waste, sewage, or dedicated energy crops. It is a mixture of primarily methane CH4 and carbon dioxide CO2, along with small amounts of other gases such as nitrogen, hydrogen, and trace elements. The process of biogas production begins with the collection and storage of organic materials in an oxygen-free environment, known as a digester. Bacteria naturally present in the organic matter break down the complex organic compounds through anaerobic digestion, resulting in the release of biogas. The biogas can then be captured, purifying, and used as a fuel for various applications. One of the main advantages of biogas is its ability to serve as a versatile and clean energy source. It can be used for heating, cooking, or electricity generation. Number 6. Soccer ball. A soccer ball, also known as a football in many parts of the world, is a spherical ball specifically designed for the sport of soccer. It is the essential piece of equipment used in soccer matches and training sessions. A typical soccer ball consists of several components. The outer cover is made of synthetic leather or a combination of synthetic materials, providing durability, water resistance, and good ball control. The panels of the ball are stitched together to form a spherical shape, traditionally comprising 32 panels arranged in a pattern of hexagons and pentagons. However, there are variations with different panel arrangements. The most common sizes for soccer balls are size 5 for adults and professionals, size 4 for youth players, and size 3 for children. The size and weight of soccer balls can vary depending on the age group and level of play. The weight is usually between 14 and 16 ounces, 400 to 450 grams. Number 7. Supervoltaic Class Intro. The Supervoltaic class is an advanced educational program or course that focuses on the study of voltaic or electrical systems at an elevated level. Designed for students or professionals with a strong foundation in electrical engineering or related disciplines, this specialized class delves into advanced topics and cutting-edge technologies in the field of voltaics. The Supervoltaic class aims to expand participants' knowledge and skills in various aspects of voltaic systems, including design, analysis, optimization, and application. It covers advanced concepts such as high-voltage engineering, power electronics, energy conversion, and renewable energy integration. Additionally, the class may explore emerging trends like energy storage, smart grids, electric vehicles, and sustainable power solutions. Throughout the Supervoltaic class, participants engage in theoretical studies, practical experiments, and hands-on projects to deepen their understanding and gain practical experience. That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.